How to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. But before I do that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this video so you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so what you need to do is head over to Google Chrome and do a search for this company called Skrill. So do a Google search for Skrill and then go to their website. So as you can see on the screen here, it says get your Skrill Visa prepaid card for free. Deposit money to your Skrill account and spend anywhere Visa is accepted. Tap on get your card, register for this service, and you'll be provided with a prepaid credit card for free. And that's what it takes to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. If you found this video helpful, I'd love if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.